So this happened today. Got rear-ended on my way home from work. Lady driving the van. I was in traffic, slowed down. Then all of a sudden I look out my rearview mirror and see a van still coming like 40 miles per hour. So instead of getting direct impact, I tried to swerve over to the shoulder lane, and this is all she got. If I would have stayed where I was, she would hit me dead center. And yeah, it wouldn't have been a pretty sight for me or the car probably. But yeah, this happened today, man. The lady was undocumented, didn't have a driver's license. Luckily, they had insurance. She wasn't supposed to drive the car or whatever, or the van that she was in, but so luckily they had insurance. But luckily no one was hurt, so I guess that's a good thing, man. That's all that matters. But shit, man, look at this. Little bumper, my tail light. I'm gonna have to retint these again once they fix it. And the thing about it, man, nothing was really wrong with her damn van. Just tore my shit up. God. This really sucks. Well, yeah, this happened today, man. Bust the back bumper and the tail light. All right, man. Well, next spot, let's get an adjuster to call me Monday or send them the pictures and all that stuff. So hopefully I'll go in the shop Monday or Tuesday or something, sometime next week, man, so I can get this fixed. All right, man. Just giving y'all a little update, man. Peace.